So now today we are going to see about chemical reaction. The experiment is about we are going to make together vinegar and baking soda, and with the balloon we are going to see the reaction. So this is vinegar, and we take some baking soda and take some spoon and a funnel and a balloon. And now we are going to fix the balloon inside the funnel like this. Fix it properly. So take some baking soda in the spoon. First take some and put inside the balloon. And take more, put inside the balloon, and again do more till it fills up the balloon. Shake. So after putting inside the baking soda in the balloon, we have to take a bottle, a plastic bottle, like this. Then keep this side like this. Now you should take a vinegar and pour inside this bottle, and we are going to see the reaction what the baking soda and vinegar will happen. Keep it straight. Add only some. Just check the measurement. This is enough. Then afterwards, then take the balloon you should put inside this. So we have fixed the balloon inside the bottle. So we are going to see the reaction what the baking soda and vinegar would happen. So first we'll just put it on this like this. So you can see this inside of this is a carbon dioxide, and see the balloon, it's blowing up now. So it's decreasing now. So see the carbon dioxide inside. So what it is, first vinegar plus baking soda, it is carbon dioxide, plus water, it is plus sodium ion. So this is the method. So after it becomes stops, you can see the carbon dioxide inside this. So first, if you want to check it is a carbon dioxide, we need a matchstick. I'm going to check inside this bottle it is carbohydrates or what. So first we're going to have a matchstick, because carbon dioxide is not a non-flame of heat. So we're going to check with 2. So okay, we're going to open a little bit. Then we're going to open this up. So we're going to have this. So we're going to check. See, it has been disappeared now. If you want, you can do one more time. So I have the one. So we're gonna put right here. See, it is carbon dioxide.
Because of the presence of the carbon dioxide, the fire has been blown out.
Thank you.